Jenny Mars, National Rebath Designer. One reason I was so excited to come on board with Rebath is because of how they approach their design process. To me, creating a good design is all about listening to the vision my clients have and then using my expertise to turn their vision into something special. When you remodel with Rebath, they take you on that same journey while making the process feel easy and effortless. During your design consultation, a Rebath design expert will come to your home to assess your old bathroom, hear your vision for your new one, and work with you to choose a style and products for your space. You can choose between custom designs created by me, like this modern look featuring timeless patterns and minimalist hardware, or this transitional look using natural wood and mixed metal fixtures. Or if you want to make your bathroom your own, you can craft the look you want with products from industry leaders like Moen, Birch, and exclusive products by Rebath. Your design consultant will be with you every step of the way. They'll start how I start, with the most dominant feature, the wall surround. You'll select from DuraBath's wide variety of colors, textures, and patterns. And here's something I really love. For easy cleaning and maintenance, all tubs and shower surrounds are grout-free. The next step is selecting faucets and fixtures. Moen's wide assortment of products combine good looks and long-lasting quality. Picking flooring to complement your design is just as easy. From tile to wood looks, you'll find durable and resilient flooring options from national brands to match your budget. One of the last steps is picking the perfect cabinet and countertop to complete your vision. Rebath even offers toilets and accessories, making the design process effortless from start to finish. There's nothing quite like the moment you get to see your new bathroom for the first time. And Rebath is with you every step of the way for an effortless remodeling experience.